Alright, so today we're going to be talking about these YEEZY slides, but before we get into that, make sure you guys like, subscribe, and also song of the day. Gonna have to give it to American Boy. You guys have most likely have heard this song. This is such an amazing song. Go listen to it. And yeah, let's get into the video. Alright, so obviously we are going to be talking about the YEEZY slide. I bought this around a year ago and I've been wearing it ever since. I do want to point out, I'm not really a slide person. I don't really wear a lot of slides, and this is really the only slide that I've actually like fallen in love with and really worn. I have tried other slides like Gucci slides, regular Adidas slides, Jordan slides, and none of them have really stuck like these. It's kind of weird because these actually aren't the best looking slides, but I don't know, I just really like them. Retail is $70 to $80. I really forgot how much I paid for these on YEEZY Supply, but depending on the colorway and size, these go for around $250 to like $400, and that's just insane. Don't get me wrong, it's a really good slide. Like, I genuinely really like this slide, but it's not worth like that much. If you can get these for retail, I highly recommend it because it's a really good slide. So there is a couple things that have changed with the slide, obviously, after I bought it, since I have worn it for a year. So yeah, the first thing I have noticed is the inside right here. It's normally like a brown. You can even see it in some of the lighting. Some of the color does start to fade a little bit. You can kind of see it right there. It's not anything drastic. It's only like a little bit of paint, and it really doesn't look any different than when I first bought it, but that is something you should know. Also, this slide is incredibly comfortable, but when you first get it out the box, it is really stiff. I'm not even gonna cap, when I first got it, I didn't even want to wear it because it really was that stiff. It took around a couple wears. I would say I wore it for like 2 weeks straight, and then eventually it did get really comfortable. Right now, these are actually really soft after a full year of wearing them, and my feet just like sink into it. Again, this slide is nothing crazy. It's just a bunch of foam. After a whole year of wearing it, I also have noticed that the slide does have a bunch of lines on it, and you know, it is foam, so that's gonna happen. And on here too, you can kind of see it. It's nothing drastic, and it's really something that only you are going to notice, but I do want to point out that that does happen. Also, really want to go over sizing real quick. I am a true to size 9. In Yeezys, I wear 9.5, but in these slides, I actually had to get a 10. Personally, I suggest going up half a size minimum. If you have really wide feet, go up a full size like I did. Again, it's going to take some time to get used to these. These are not comfortable right out the box. Overall though, I would say this is my favorite slide I've ever bought, and I'm actually really happy I got it. Let me know what you guys think about these slides in the comments below, and let me know if you guys are actually going to pick up a pair. I know there is a couple colorways coming out this summer. So yeah, that's pretty much everything you need to know about these slides. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, follow me on Instagram, and let's take a look at these on feet.